Hey guys, welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday. We got a real simple one today, but if you don't know how to do this, I don't know, this will be helpful to you because there's a few little tips and tricks. We're going to be covering how to replace the bulb in your turn signal on a Jeep Wrangler YJ. Super easy, but there are some tips. Now go ahead and start by removing the two little screws on the front light here. Then the whole unit pulls out, and there's a little tab here on the side. Push that in, twist it off, and there's your bulb. Now with your old bulb, it doesn't matter. You can get your fingers all over it. You're not worried about getting a dirty or grease from your fingers on there. But the trick is to get these bulbs out. Push in and twist counterclockwise, then the bulb will just slide right out. If you're just pulling on this thing, you can pull all day long, it's not going to come off. You're going to end up just breaking it and cut your hand. And the reason that is, there's these little tabs on the side of the bulb that lock it in place. And I like to use a little bit of dielectric grease or bulb grease, and you want to put that just on the little connections on the bottom here and on the sides. And that just adds a little layer of protection against corrosion and to keep water out of there. You don't want to get any on the bulb though, obviously. Then you're just going to take your new bulb and pop it in place. It's a good habit to be in to use a cloth or something to hold the bulb. You don't want to be getting your fingerprints all over it, especially with like halogen bulbs or ones that get very hot. Then we can go ahead and just put it back together. So there you go, as easy as that. Change the turn signal bulb on your Jeep Wrangler. But it's the little stuff like that. Like if you didn't know to, you gotta push that bulb in to twist it to pull out. Yeah, a lot of people know that. It's but you gotta learn it sometime, right? If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'm working on a Project 92 YJ here, where I'm tearing this thing completely down. I'm actually gonna be rebuilding the engine, the transmission, doing brakes on it, axles, all kinds of stuff. So subscribe, follow along on my little adventure. I'd love to have you. Thanks for watching, have a good day.